So hello everyone, this is my submission for the Lingo Dev Hackathon. So the project is named as Voxera. So Voxera is a voice powered IDE which is multilingual in nature. So this IDE is used to generate UIs based on the requirements of the user in their own language. Right. So let us see how this works. So to open this project we need to import a zip file of your choice, whichever choice you have. So I have already downloaded a Next.js template, so we'll open that one. Right. So the main motive behind building Voxera was that if today AI is removing the barrier of knowing a programming language, then why can't we remove the barrier of learning prompting and English itself, right? So my one of my favorite creators, Karpati, tweeted that English is the hottest programming language right now, right? But I want to change this. So any builder anywhere in the world, even if he doesn't know English or doesn't know prompting, should be able to generate his or own UI components, right? So that is why I have built Voxera. So the structure of Voxera is very simple. It is just like all the other code editors out there. So you have an explorer part and you have a builder part where you can see the preview of the app, and you have an inspector part, and the bottom section you can record your prompts and how to change the UI of this app, right? So we will be going through two specific languages. The first one is Hindi, right? So I am inside the profile page of this dashboard and I will record a prompt to change this complete page into Hindi, right? And this is possible because of Lingo's SDK, right? So now I'm inside the profile page of this app and I'll give it a prompt in Hindi, right? So I'll record my prompt. So क्या हम इस पेज को हिंदी में बदल सकते हैं? So live you can view the changes, right, that happens to this page, right? This loads up a new UI component with the whole page which was there in Hindi itself. Now you can again slide back into the old menu itself, right? With this change you can also see that the whole ID turns into Hindi, right? You can also see, right? So that is what differentiates this product, right? So it caters to the builder actually. So for the Kannada section you can see I'm in the calendar part of this Next.js page, and then I'll record a prompt to add a new event into my dashboard, right? So in Kannada ನಾವು ಈ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬದಲಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಪ್, and then according to that we have the UI changes. So yeah, you can see a new event was created which only consisted of two events before. So a new event was created. So we can use this repeatedly for generating newer UI components also. I also wanted to emphasize on apps which have not been yet created. So you have a complete Figma like preview here where you can build your app, and you can again just prompt in your own language and keep on building components and keep on adding your own pages, your own buttons, your own UI components, right? So this completely builds an end-to-end UI generation model in your native language. So as an features of Lingo in this app, right? So we use the SDK for localization at runtime, and then we have the tracking of dynamic UI settings which is handled by the CLI offered by lingo.dev, and then again you have to enforce translation safely through the CI/CD pipeline, and applying tone consistency and intent search with the help of the MCPs of lingo.dev. So overall this project is powered by Lingo. That is what the main point is. So thank you if you enjoyed this.